Listen to this interesting interaction between Evangelist Ebuka Obi and a member from Rivers State who has an Igbo name but said she's not Igbo. What's your take on this?
Thanks to Jesus.
Where do you come from?
River State, sir.
What part of river?
Egbema, Port Harcourt.
Igbo.
Yes, I'm a Masibo.
Igbo.
Mba agụrụ m akwụkwọ na Anambra State.
Igbo.
Mba, sir.
KB is in River State.
Egbema.
Egbema. Do you know there is Egbema in Imo State?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Do you know Egbema Imo State and Egbema River State is just a boundary?
Yes, sir.
And you're not an Igbo person?
No, sir.
What is your native name?
Sorochi.
Huh?
Sorochi.
Sorochi.
Yes, sir.
Sorochi.
Yes, sir.
What is your father's name? Huh?
Oba.
Your father's name is Oba.
Yes, sir.
Your name is Sorochi.
Sorochi.
And you're not Igbo. Why don't, please, I'm using this opportunity to tell Ohaneze, our fathers, Ohaneze and Igbo, to do more work by uniting our people, trying to tell our people whom they are. Your father's name is Oba. Oba is Igbo name. Sorochi is Igbo name. And you say you are not Igbo. You are from Egbema in River State. Egbema River State is just a boundary that divided Egbema Rivers and Egbema Imo. It was boundary. The same people, Egbema Rivers, Egbema Imo, it's just boundary. Igbo.
Yes, but not very well.
In that Egbema River State you come from, what is 4 market days there?
Eke.
Uh-huh.
Orie.
Uh-huh.
Akpo.
Uh-huh.
Mfo.
Nkwo. Any race that believe in Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo is Igbo. Igbo people have that 4 market days. So, if your race believe in Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo, you people are Igbo. You can't say you are not Igbo when your father's name is Oba, your name is... What is the name of Sorochi?
Follow God.
And in Sorochi, in Igbo, is the same follow God. He say you are not. What is meaning of hand in your language in Rivers?
Akam.
Akang. What is name of leg?
Okum.
Huh?
Okum.
Oko. What is name of nose?
Imi.
Imi. What is name of eyes in your language?
Yeah.
Anya. Please, if you say you are not Igbo, God will be angry with you. You are Igbo. Tell your people you are Igbo. That they carve you in South does not mean you are not Igbo. Oh, don't deny your race. Igbo speak in different language. Look at your Igbo self is more understandable to me than Igbo in Enugu State. When somebody from Soka speak Igbo, we don't hear. So stop denying your race. Yeah? God bless you. Hope you don't understand.
Sir, yes, sir.
So somebody should cut this video to educate our people in Egbema, River State, that they are Igbo people. Oh yeah, sing. Today is Lover's Day. Are you married?
No, sir.
We are all one people. We cannot be divided anymore. Spread the message to everyone who is like this young lady, a full-fledged Igbo lady, but has been deceived to believe she is not Igbo.